Hello everyone and welcome back to our new video. So, if your Shopify store says domain not connected, customers may not be able to access your website. So in today's small tutorial, we're really gonna talk on how to actually fix this type of issues, domain not connected in Shopify in 2026 version. So let's get started. First, open your favorite browser, make sure you are fully connected to the internet, then go through the shopify.com network. I'm gonna tap on enter. As you see here, this is the main page where they're gonna ask you to do a quick login using your email address and password. After this, you should go all the way to settings. Look for any domains option. Here it is next to this sales channel. Make sure it's fully connected and activate it from here. You can connect an existing one or even buy a new domain if you want to. Verify your DNS records. Your A record should point to Shopify's IP address. Check the CNAME record as well, since the www record should point to Shopify. Remove any confliction records, delete extra A or CNAME for records, for example. And remove, of course, any confliction record, but as I told you before, wait for the DNS propagation. Change can take up to 24 hours, yeah. And all you're gonna do now is reconnect domain in Shopify. Click connect existing domain, then give them the full domain and tap on next. As a little small pro tips, you can use the Shopify domain verification tool if you really need it. And that's it. Thank you all for watching, and I will see you in the next video.